Alright, so I'm going to be soldering some pins onto this Gary adapter board for RAMesses. You can see here what I've done is I've taken some pin strips, inserted them into a socket, and just popped the board on top. So put that there like that. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is tacking the four corners, and we do this to make sure that pins are all the way down. So we'll first tack it like that. If I push down on the board and just touch it with heat again, this will just make sure that the pins are all the way through the holes. Okay, and next up, we're going to be slowly dragging the blade across the pins like this. Probably would have helped if I had something to hold the board down. And just tapping the solder on to flow some more into it. Normally, I would be using a slightly different solder, which has better flux in it, or adding a little extra flux, but actually this one means I can run it a bit slower so you can see on camera what I'm doing. And here we go. Coming up to the last pin. And there we go. If I did get any bridges doing this, I could just kind of wipe the iron and tap it, and it would suck it back into the iron, or add a bit of flux and do that, and it would clean up quite nicely. There's one pin here that isn't quite flowed nicely, so we'll just add a little bit more solder there, and that is job done.